Sarah almost paid £800 to an immigration agent just to apply for the UK visit visa. The agent told her, without professional handling, your visa could get rejected. But here's what she discovered. The agent was using the exact same online portal available to everyone, the official system managed by the UK Home Office. No secret access, no hidden approval button, just document upload. And in 2026, applying yourself might actually give you an advantage. Today I will show you how. In 2026, there is a digital shift. UK visit visas are processed in a digital first system. Before a human caseworkers even look at your file, automated screening tools scan your applications. If your documents are messy, unclear or inconsistent, you risk delays. But if your application is structured clearly and logically, it moves faster. Sarah realized something powerful. The system rewards clearly, not agents. So how she saved their £800 and got her visa approved within 15 working days. So let's crack down the visitor visa algorithm. For UK standard visitor visa, the system looks for three main things. One is the genuine intention to visit. Second is strong financial evidences, and third one is clear reason to return home. Here, how to structure your document for algorithm-friendly scanning. Folder format. This is the number one is the passport. Number two is the application form. It's an online form. You have to fill out hold the form. The copy of that. Their bank statement, employment letter, travel plan, and cover letters. Simple, clean, and logical. Now here is powerful trick. How your cover letters should clearly answer three risk questions: why you are visiting, who is paying, how long will you stay, why will you return. Don't write emotional stories. Write structured clarity, example structure, purpose of your visit, your duration of stay. It may be 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. If you apply for the 6-month visa, it must be within 6 months. Duration of stay, financial proof summary, your ties with any employer or your own business, your family or property ties, your property documents or financial establishment. You are answering concern before they arise. So I will focus now on the bank statement formatting secrets. This is very most visa get rejected, not because of low balance but because of unexplained money. If you suddenly deposit a large amount, explain it. If someone is sponsoring you, include their bank statement, sponsorship letter, passport copy, proof of relationship. Formatting tips: there must be the 6 months statement unless stated otherwise, running balance visible, your full name clearly shown, no crop pages, no blurry scan. Automated system flags inconsistency immediately. Clarity is your credibility. So now let's discuss about the how you will submit it and what would be the submission time and biometric strategy. Here are some most people ignore. Portal traffic peaks during weekdays, working hours. Submitting late evening UK time or early morning can sometimes help you file enter in a lighter processing batch. After submission, book the biometric immediately. Recheck, upload documents, bring original neatly arranged. Common biometric mistakes that cause delay is the signature mismatch, missing document printouts, incorrect passport copy, arrival late, and rescheduling. Biometric is not the casual, it's a procedural. Treat it seriously. So now let's discuss for the final self-audit checklist. Before you click submit, ask yourself, does my bank balance match my travel cost? Are all dates consistent? Is my employment letter recent? Did I clearly explain my written reasons? Are all PDFs clearly and properly named? Once payment is done, ensure you receive one is the visa fee confirmation, submission reference number, appointment confirmation. That reference number is your tracking key. Save it, screenshot it, and email to yourself. In the last, I will discuss for the empowerment movement. Sarah didn't need an agent; she needed organization. In 2026, UK visit visa approval is about clarity, consistency, and confidence. You don't need to spend thousands for someone to upload document for you. You can do it yourself. And if this video helped you, comments visit Visa 2026 below. If you want to downloadable self checklist for the UK visit visa, tell me in the comments your travel, your document, your approval. See you in the next video. Thank you.